Hi everyone, it's Anne, Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I have a quick project share for you today. I made a small flat mail project and I'm not the best at this, honestly. I always wing it, but I really liked what I created, so I thought I'd come on and share what I've made. But first, I wanted to come on and share this little shaker memory decks that I created. I had a friend reach out and ask to swap MemoryDex cards, and I love how it came out. It's actually really simple. I wanted it to stay fairly flat, so I can send it in a regular envelope. I did a little stitching, and I just cut the acetate out 2 times, and then I cut the base in paper just to keep it a little sturdier in the spinner or whatever holder you have it. Just little simple details. I used the My Mind's Eye Splendor collection. I wanted to do one last project before I wrapped it up. I have a little fun little banner here and just like little I don't know, like bouquet garden over here. And I add a little jammies, little hearts, and I thought this was really fun. And it's a shaker. I love shakers. Okay, so here is my flat mail. So I created a little pocket and I slipped my MemoryDex inside so it could be kind of like present inside the little tool pocket that I created. I basically just stitched and I left this top part open. And here's my MemoryDex card. Again, I made a shaker element, a card, and I added a little dangle and I used the Sunny Days collection. Again, it's very simple. I wanted to highlight the shaker and I used one of my sewn rosettes in gold. I had a little tucked in layering piece here, fun little girl here, and it says, "Grab my hand, let's go." So a little adventure and just a little handmade with love. This is my April stickers, April Olander Designs, and I'll leave a link down below. I love, love, love those label stickers. And then here is my little pocket. So basically what I had done is I used Shara Crane's flat mail envelope as inspiration for this. She had shown a tutorial, and I'll leave a link down below, and she had done the same thing. She totally inspired me to create this, shredded different cardstock, and I used the Sunny Days collection and then layered it. And it says, "Hi Joe." I used some pretty thickers. I thought the pink was really pretty. And then I just kept the back really simple. And then I just included some goodies in here, just some bling, and decorated the tops. But really wanted to highlight just the shaker MemoryDex card. You can see it right there. It's fun. It's like a decoration piece. Just gotta fix that tassel. Okay. And then I included some goodies, and these are some embellishments that I made, but I'll take them out so you can see them better. I just created a small little topper. I love this banner that I picked up at Ally, and it's a double, it's a layering kind of like label, and I'm kind of accept a banner, not label. I put a label on top, but I really love this shape, and I thought it was a really fun little element. I used one of my flowers that I created. I created a whole bunch, laid it on top of a doily, some enamel dots, and let me show you these really fun embellishments. So I use my Graphic 45 large tag die, and I'm obsessed with this tag die for packaging. This is who makes that? Oh, Jelly Bean Soup. Jelly Bean Soup stamp and die set, and I'll leave links down to it below. And I had used this in for Pasteloween last year, but I wanted to play with it again, so I thought this would be fun for the Sunny Days collection. I just put a little flower in the centers, a little tassel dangle, because I'm obsessed with tassels, And yeah, I love how these came out. And I just packaged it, put a little topper, boom. I also created this one. Here is the topper. Again, I laid a doily, some star trim. I put a chipboard piece from the Willow Lane collection. And here are my embellishments. So I'm sure that you may have seen my Willow Lane heart embellishments, but I wanted to create some in the sunny days. The person that I am sending this to happens to love yellow and pink, and I wanted to create them in the colors that she loves using sunny days. I wanted to get one full project in before I put this collection away, and I love how these came out. And then I just created a small envelope. I think this is a piece that I received from my friend Olga, and I just laid it on top. I created an envelope and included some goodies in here. I created this bag topper using the Sunny Days collection. And I'm sorry for the crinkling noise. It's really simple. I used one of my star embellishments that I mass produced, lay down a layer of that shimmer ribbon from Hobby Lobby, and then just did a little cluster of flowers, some shells. I glittered it up with the glitter duster, and yeah, I really liked how that came out. And I also included some of my layered roses, and this is a SVG file from April Olander Designs. I will leave links down below. They are so pretty. They're like the We Are Memory Keepers layered flowers, and I love that you can cut them in bigger sizes. I don't know, it's fun. It's a fun cut. And this is a tag that I created. I had extra in my stash, and sharing is caring. So that is really it for my project share. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye everyone.